Stunning executive home on a 75-feet corner lot in Markham. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded, sun-filled executive home, perfectly situated on a premium corner lot in one of Markham's most sought-after neighborhoods. Every detail has been designed to blend elegance, functionality, and comfort, making it ideal for families, professionals, or anyone seeking modern, luxurious living. Location is unbelievable, just minutes from highway, Costco, sunny Food Mart, Walmart, shopping malls, and transit including YRT, providing seamless connectivity across the Greater Toronto area. Set on a quiet, family-friendly street with no sidewalk, the property features a professionally interlocked driveway accommodating up to 6 vehicles, with potential for a third garage. Indoor access to the double garage adds convenience, especially during inclement weather. Step inside through the grand double doors into a spacious living room with soaring cathedral ceilings and a stunning circular oak staircase flowing from the second floor to the basement, creating a striking focal point. The main floor also includes a bright library, perfect for remote work, study, or a quiet retreat. Elegant hardwood flooring runs throughout the living, dining, family rooms, library, and bedrooms, while granite flooring in the foyer, kitchen, powder room, and hallways adds a touch of luxury. The kitchen offers ample cabinetry, premium countertops, and modern appliances. Adjacent to a one-family room and formal dining area. Perfect for entertaining. Upstairs, spacious, sun-filled bedrooms include a serene master suite with a spa-like ensuite. The legal basement apartment, over 1,900 square feet with 4 finished rooms, provides flexibility for extended family, recreation, or potential rental income. Outside, the corner lot offers ample green space for children, pets, or gatherings. The home is within walking distance of Boxwood Public School, a water park, soccer field, and transit, combining convenience, family friendliness, and lifestyle amenities. This exceptional property balances luxury finishes, practical features, and a prime location, making it a rare find in Markham. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable home. Schedule your private viewing today.